Hold on, Chad. I gotta see this real quick. You got one chance, nigga.
Bro, which strategy do you advise for beginner Forex traders? I got you covers. This is a strategy any beginner Forex trader can start using immediately after this video. So make sure you stay to the end of the video and start practicing immediately you are done with the video. So let's go. We're just going to go to our digital room. Then on this board, I'm going to show you guys step by step on a strategy you can start using today to make money in the Forex trading. So let's go. Okay, so this is a simple strategy any Forex trader or any beginner Forex trader can start using immediately after this video. So make sure you save this video for later, all right? And those of you guys not following me, make sure you follow my page. So the strategy is a simple moving average strategy. In Forex trading, most of the time, keep it simple, all right? And talking about moving average strategy, we're going to be using the exponential moving average, not the simple moving average. We're going to be using the exponential moving average. And there's something they call applied to when you're putting the moving average on your chart. There's something we call applied method. So I want you guys to choose the median. Choose the median, not the close price, because the median price is going to give you guys more accurate signals than the close price. So I want you guys to choose the median price. Perfect. So just go on your MT4, MT5, DX Trade, Trade Locker, or any platform you are using. They will all have the same thing. So you can see on my screen, I have, let's just change the color to this. So I have these two moving averages on my screen, or I have these two charts. So this was more like an uptrend. On an uptrend, you see two moving averages sloping upward like this. And on a downtrend, you see two moving averages sloping downward like this. Good. Let's come down in a case of an uptrend. And on uptrend, you normally have two moving averages. You have the fast moving average and the slow moving average. That's why you see I have two different colors here. And there is a section where we call the point of intersection. That's where normally the signal is generated, where there's that point of intersection, right? So just go on your platform, DX Trade, Trade Locker, MetaTrader, TradingView, anyone. Put the first moving average to have the 23. The period should be 23. So the period of the moving average should be 23 exponential. Second one, the period should be 10 exponential. So this one is a slow moving average, and this one is the fast moving average. All right. So just put that on your chart, and anytime you put it on any particular chart, you'll be able to know the market direction by just seeing how the moving averages are sloping. If the two moving averages are sloping upward with a slow moving average below the fast moving average, then that's an uptrend, right? Don't worry. After this, we're going to go to my computer and I'll show you guys a live example. And if the two moving averages are sloping downward with the fast moving average below the slow moving average, then that's a downtrend. Good. So where do you get into the trade, or when or where do you get into this kind of trade? Where is the signal generated? The signal is generated, or a buy signal is generated, when the fast moving average crosses over the slow moving average from below. All right, from below. That's the point somewhere. You can see that's the point in intersection. So anytime it closes like this, based on the time frame you are using, as soon as the candle closes and you confirm that there's actually been that particular cross of the fast moving average crossing over the slow moving average, that's when you buy. So normally you buy somewhere here, you put your buy somewhere there, and then your stop loss can just go below somewhere here. So your stop loss will go somewhere here, and your take profit should normally be two times your stop loss. All right, so your take profit will be made somewhere here. So you see, so that's where you enter here with a buy. The same thing will apply. You can see there was an intersection here where the slow moving average crosses over the fast moving average from above. So that's a sell signal. So we'll normally sell somewhere here. Our stop loss will go somewhere here, and then our TP will go somewhere here. Remember 2x. Our stop loss should always be 2, or our TP should always be 2 times our stop loss, so that we'll have a risk to reward of at least 1:2. So now let's go now to this other screen. Let's talk about what time do you use this particular strategy during major, very, very important, during major market sessions. All right, market sessions. So what are some of the major market sessions you can use this particular strategy? Because remember, when you are trading, it's good to trade where there's actually volume in the market, where there's actually liquidity in the market. Some major market sessions you can use this strategy. You have the New York session, right? The New York session in South Africa, I think it starts at 2:30 at 2 p.m. right up to 11 p.m. or so. So New York session. You have the London session, one of the best, the London session. So let's just say London. You have the London session. So New York and London session, right? And this one will just start on around, let's just say in South Africa, it starts at around 2:00 p.m. right up to 11 p.m. All right, and this one in South Africa starts by 9:00 a.m. right up to about 5:00 p.m. After this, the session you shouldn't trade. The session you shouldn't trade is known as the Asian session. You shouldn't be trading during this session because the market is dead. The market is very, very quiet at this particular time of the day. The market is dead, and if you try to trade at this particular point in time, first thing first, the spreads are going to be too high. All right, so you press buy and you're already down by maybe $200, $300 based on what you're trading with. So the spreads are very, very high. The market is very, very quiet, and it's very, very difficult to make money during the Asian or the Tokyo session. So the best sessions I've just mentioned, you have this particular session. So let's just go here. You have the New York session and the London session. So if you can practice this strategy during these two sessions, you are good to go. After knowing the theory of this particular strategy, what I want us to do, I want us to quickly go to my office. Then I'm going to show you guys a live example, because what we're doing here, this is just the practical side of it, right? So let's go.